Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new application which is suggested by our Honorable Prime Minister to be part of the prevention of COVID-19. The app name is Arogya Setu, and this app's work through Bluetooth and location generated social graph. So once we install the application and once we gave the permission to use Bluetooth and location features on our phone, the application will be giving a notification to us when we are getting closer to a COVID-19 affected person and COVID-19 positive person. The only thing which you have to do is search for the application Arogya Setu in Play Store or any app store, and give permission to access our Bluetooth services and location services for full time. Then that complete features of the application will be working according to our information. So now we are going to give a demonstration of how to use the application.